YouTube this shit. How long will it take you to get that necklace back on with your nails? Come on, you got this. Oh. Fuck off. Did you just say you need to cut your chin hair? You have chin hair? You have armpit hair too, don't you? And a little old lady back fur. You got your little back fur? Hey! You have fur on your back, don't you? I love you. Hey, I love you. The clothes! Who wants to see the toenails? Toenails of death! Ah! I always do. I'm bugging the fuck out of her. Hey, sausage. Hey, sausage. Sausage. Are you gonna do it? Why? Are you farting? Sausage. After sausage. I don't speak deaf. Sausage fingers, though. Come on. Come on.
Sausage fingers, though. Blow out your ass,
though. I love you.
Love you too. Now, delete that motherfucker.